Hey everyone, welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make coconut macaroons dipped in chocolate. To get started, add 14 ounces of unsweetened shredded coconut to a bowl along with 3/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir until everything is combined. Now add 2 egg whites to a stand mixer and whip on high until you get stiff peaks. Fold the egg whites into the coconut mixture until combined. Now portion the cookies onto a baking sheet using a large cookie scoop, or whatever size you like. Make sure to pack it into the scoop since the mixture is a little dry, so it may crumble a bit, but trust me, these come out really moist in the end. Bake at 325 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. The macaroons should be slightly golden brown on the top. Melt 8 ounces of chocolate and dip in each macaroon and/or drizzle on top. Place them upside down so it keeps a smooth finish on the bottom. Then stick them in the fridge for a few minutes to set the chocolate faster if you have no patience like me. And that's it! These cookies are delicious and really fast and easy to make. They're slightly crispy on the outside and really soft on the inside. They aren't too sweet because we use unsweetened coconut. To me, they're perfect, but if you like them to be a little sweeter, you can use sweetened coconut or half and half. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.